Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by building a lean framework. Make 2-3 notebooks named for major roles, then add sections that reflect ongoing themes. Once done, create pages for immediate topics so notes stay contextual. Make sure sync is on and add a few consistent tags like to do and important to capture action items quickly. This avoids scattered notes and lets you search instantly. From here, you'll populate pages with templates and clip resources. That setup prevents chaos before you even add content. You now capture efficiently. Clip web pages, emails, and screenshots into the right section, then tag each item for status and priority. Once items accumulate, move or link pages to create a narrative, drag a note into a project page, or insert a page link to connect ideas. Make sure to use templates for recurring formats and tables for data. Use ink or drawings when a quick sketch clarifies a concept. This turns loose captures into a structured knowledge flow you can act on. You finish by refining and locking in value. Run a weekly review to consolidate tags, archive completed pages, and move decisions into a master project page. Once done, export critical notebooks as PDF or a OneNote package for long-term backup. If something goes wrong, first check your account sign-in, update the app, and force a sync. That resolves most issues. Finally, reclaim space by deleting duplicates and keep a short tag legend so your future self understands the system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.